Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in our last class we have derived the surface area formula for cube and cuboid. In this section we shall discuss about the surface area of a cylinder. So here this is a right circular cylinder having height h unit and the radius of the base is r unit. If we cut a hollow cylinder along its height, then the curved surface of the cylinder will be a rectangle as shown in figure. So having this breadth of the rectangle is h unit and the length is the circumference of the base, that is 2 pi r. So curved surface area of the cylinder is area of this rectangle. So curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of this rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. So here length is the circumference of the base, that is 2 pi r, and breadth is the height of the cylinder. This is h. So the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So what is the total surface area of a cylinder? So total surface area of the cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of two base. In a cylinder the two base are circles. So total surface area of a cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of two base. So this is equal to 2 pi r h plus, so the area of one base is pi r square. So area of two base is 2 pi r square, or this is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. So this is the total surface area and this is the curved surface area of a cylinder. So by using this formula, let us solve some questions. Here is an example. In a building, there are 24 cylindrical pillars. The radius of each pillar is 28 centimeter and height is 4 meter. Find the total cost of painting the curved surface area of all pillars at the rate of rupees 8 per meter square. So there are 24 cylindrical pillars. So the pillars, we have to find the curved surface area because the curved surface area of the pillars are to be colored or painted. So what is the radius of the pillar? So radius of the pillars is equal to 28 centimeter, that is 0.28 meter, and height of the pillar, height of the pillars is equal to 4 meter. So what is the curved surface area of a pillar? So curved surface area of one pillar is equal to 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h. So this is equal to 2 multiplied with 22 by 7. H, the value of pi is 22 by 7. Multiplied with r is equal to 0.28. Multiplied with h is 4. So this is equal to, this is 44 multiplied with 0.04 multiplied with 4. So this is equal to 7.04 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of one pillar. So what is the curved surface area? Surface area of 24 pillars. So we have to multiply 24 by 7.04. So this is equal to 7.04 multiplied with 24, that is 168.96 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of 24 pillars. But here it is given that for per meter square, the cost of painting is rupees 8. So for 1 meter square, the cost of painting is equal to rupees 8. So for that is 168.96 meter square, the cost of painting is 168.96 multiplied with 8. So this is equal to 1351.68 rupees. So this is the total cost of painting of 24 cylindrical pillars. Next example, find the height of a cylinder whose radius is 7 cm and the total surface area is 968 cm square. So here the solution, the radius of the cylinder is 7 cm. The height is not given, so let the height of the cylinder is h. So the total surface area is given. So the formula for total surface area is equal to 2 pi r whole into h plus r. So total surface area is given 968. So this implies 968 is equal to 2 multiplied with pi. Pi is 22 by 7. Multiplied with r. This is 7. Multiplied with h plus 7. So then we will solve this equation for h. So this implies 968 is equal to 7 cancel. This is 44 multiplied with h plus 7. So this implies 968 by 44 is equal to h plus 7. So this implies, so this is h plus 7 is equal to, this is 44 2s are 88, then 2, 22. H plus 7 is equal to 22. So this implies h is equal to 15 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder is 15 centimeter. So this is the answer. In this way, you can apply the formula for curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder to solve problems.